Last week, I was at a barbecue just hanging out with family, eating way too much food like a responsible adult, and my brother-in-law tells me, you need to listen to this artist, because I listen to him all the time. So I'm thinking, okay, cool, maybe some new country artist, maybe some indie guy blowing up online. And then I looked him up, and lo and behold, the artist was AI. Not kind of AI, not AI assisted, a full AI music artist. Songs, videos, branding, millions of views. The guy was on America's Got Talent, and that got me thinking, if AI artists are already going viral, building fan bases, and pulling in serious attention online, then the real question is, could regular people like you and me create their own AI music artist brand too? Now let me be clear, this is not one of those press one button and become a millionaire by Friday videos, because if that exists, please send it to me immediately. But what I'm gonna do is give you a quick roadmap for how someone could create their own AI music artist sensation from scratch. You need a brand, you need the music, you need the voice, you need the artist's identity, you need the visuals, you need music videos, you need social content, and eventually you need a way to distribute and promote the music. So here's the basic workflow. You start with the music, and first I'd use Suno AI to create songs and develop a consistent artist voice. This is where you pick the genre, the niche, the vocal style, and the emotional lane. Country, pop, gospel, R&B, K-pop, rock, worship, indie, hip-hop. Whatever lane you choose, the music has to come first. Because without the music, there's no artist at all. Next, use ChatGPT or your favorite LLM to create an artist profile. This is where you build the name, backstory, personality, brand colors, song themes, audience visual styles, and how the artist talks, moves, and expresses emotion. Basically, ChatGPT helps turn a random AI voice into a believable artist brand. And then the visuals. For that, I'd use a program like OpenArt AI to create the professional grade images, profile pictures, album covers, YouTube banners, Facebook banners, promotional photos, and artist branding. I will include the links below in the description. So after that, you want to bring your artist to life with video. You can use tools like Cremi AI, OpenArt AI, Kling, Runway, or other AI video generators to create music videos, performance scenes, lyric visuals, audience reactions, and short form content. Then you'll need to think about getting the music onto platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts. And I use a program called TuneCore. You can also use programs like CD Baby or Reverb Nation, but my favorite is TuneCore. And if you play your cards right, there will be a way to monetize through streaming, YouTube content, licensing, custom songs, affiliate offers, merch, and building a fan base around the artist. But again, this takes strategy. You need consistency, you need good songs, you need branding, you need to test what actually connects with people. So this video is just an overview. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to show you exactly how to do each step, how to create the AI artist voice, how to build the artist profile, how to design the visuals, how to create the music videos, and essentially how to turn the whole thing into a real AI music brand. So make sure you subscribe, because we're going to build this thing from scratch together, and who knows, the next viral artist your brother-in-law recommends at a barbecue might be the one you created.